Hey my officials, welcome back to another video, and welcome if you're new. If you are new here, my name is Michelle. Welcome to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be sharing with you guys how I install this wig that I got from Luvme here. I'm going to be sharing with you guys just in a minute what type of wig it is. As you guys already can see by the title, it is a bob kinky straight, and you guys already know I really do love U-part wigs. I feel like they come in just so handy for me. So when Luvme reached out to me, I was like, why not do this video? I do have a coupon code that will give you guys 10% off. I will just put it here on the screen, and if you use my coupon code, I will get a little percentage off of each purchase. I will also link my coupon code in the description box below. So without further ado, let's just jump straight into this install. As you guys can see, I already braided up my hair. So I will also say that I did dye this hair just because I really prefer jet black, and I really wanted it to blend with my leave out. I didn't want it to be too, I don't know, I didn't want it to be too brown and then my leave out is so black because I did dye my hair. So that's basically what I did, but I packaged it all back just for you guys, and this is how it comes. It's very pretty, and then it has the Luvme here, and it just says affordable luxury hair, and it comes in this very cute purple package. Really do love this packaging. And then it also comes with like this little pamphlet thing, which I found to be very cute. It says enjoy your hair journey from now on, and then it has the founder Helena, which I think that this is cute. I really do think it's cute. And then the hair comes in this little package right here. So I'm just gonna open it and take it out for you guys, just for the purpose of the video. And I did dye it, so it is more jet black than normal. It does come with this little net to protect it. So this is basically how it looks after it has been dyed and washed. I did get the kinky straight, so I'm hoping that the camera is doing it justice. But as you guys can see, this is how it looks. It looks like regular kinky straight, if I'm being honest. My other kinky straight that I have, the texture and everything is the same. Alright, so this is how the wig comes. As I showed you guys, it has two clips like so, and then it has like a little clip like here, and then it has a clip like this. And what I normally do, my hair is already plaited up, and this is my little leave out. Let me show you guys my leave out. So this is my leave out right here, and what I normally do, I just start it from the back. And one thing I will say is that what I liked about this particular wig is it did come with like a size. So the size that I got was a medium. I'm guessing she knows, I'm guessing she figured my head is not that big. So I liked that about it. So that's the first thing I like about this, is because it really does come with like, it fits very snug. And I love when my wigs fit snug. So this is just how I install it. This is so easy. So easy, guys, to install. And this is how it looks. It is cut in like a asymmetrical bob, in my personal opinion, because the back is a little bit shorter. But now I am going to flat iron it, and then we'll be back and I'll tell you guys what I think about the hair in general. so this is basically where I'm gonna end this video. I'm gonna close out this video. You guys can see how I installed the unit. It's pretty easy to install a U-part wig, and you guys already know, if you are new here, I really do like wearing U-part wigs. I just feel like they're so convenient, and right now I don't have to sew it down. It's just a clip. I could just clip it on and go about my business and style it. It's just so quick and easy, and I love doing quick weaves because I don't have the time for the extra stuff. But overall, I really do like the hair. It did have a little bit of shedding, but nothing to talk about. Shedding for me, it's not a big issue. I feel like my natural hair sheds, so if my natural hair can shed, then my wigs can have a little bit of shedding. There's nothing wrong with that. But overall, I really do like it. I love how it flat ironed. It didn't flat iron too bone straight, but it could also be the fact that my flat iron needed a new flat iron. But overall, I really do like it. I love the fact that it just blends with my natural hair, so you're not gonna really know if I have in a wig or not. You may just think that this is my hair, and that's what I love about just having a more of a natural look. So I'm definitely gonna be using this unit a lot. I do believe I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, and I'd just like to say thank you to Luvme here for sending me over this unit. I really do like it. So if you guys are interested, please go to my description box below. You'll see my coupon code that you can use to get 10% off, and you would also see the link to this particular unit and also to their website and their Instagram somewhere in my description box below, so that you guys can browse, and if it is that you're interested. And yeah, so this is basically where I am going to end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little how I install this wig. Thank you again so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next upload. Bye.